Made it, fam. Look at that. Oh, loving it. Let me get some. My dude, we got our McDonald's here. I'm so excited. It looks so good. Okay, first of all, we got our. Okay, look at this overview. Okay, so we got iced white coffee. There we go. Oh, that's really good. And then I got the mixed spicy rice. It's like rice with a sauce on it. It's like a sweet sauce, sweet garlicky sauce. And it's got chicken cutlet, some tomatoes and cucumber, and McRoyal cheese. Standard like quarter pounder burger or something like that. And Dave got the 2-piece chicken with rice, and then with the Coke, and then with what kind of cheesecake you get? A hot cake, cheesecake. So damn good. And then they gave us some extra garlic soy sauce. Okay, let's give this a go. It's good. This is the same cutlet from a chicken sandwich. We're getting to eat it with rice and like that garlic sauce. Makes it better. So good, man. McDonald's. I appreciate you guys. Shout outs to you guys if you want to send me around the world showing the differences that you guys have. That would definitely be a dream job. So good. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, this one's spicy. This one's got some spice to it. Yeah, let me try some of that chicken. Pretty good. Just like more of a drier style fried chicken from like the 3 times spicy one that we had in Malaysia. It's really good. Cucumbers fresh, tomatoes pretty fresh. I mean, I know it probably just comes in a bag from McDonald's, but no napkin, huh? Okay. Really good, right? It's got that very Vietnamese strength to the brew. Really good. Alright. Burger time. McRoyal Goa. So good. McDonald's just never change. You guys are my forever bae. It's your standard patty. Cheese, lettuce, tomato, mayo. little ketchup. Good. There's also onion. Man. Vietnam. You guys, this McDonald's raw. So good. Yeah, I don't know why we don't have the fried chicken back home in Canada. It's starting to drive me crazy. Such a great option. Alright. I'm gonna try a bite of this cheesecake here. Here we go. McCheesecake. It's really interesting. It's more of like kind of like a flan than cheesecake. It's got like some caramel or something in the middle. Yeah, it's less cheesecakey and more like you know, like a flan or like a pudding. All right, that's it from us here at McDonald's.